Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning how to use Facebook Stories as a marketing strategy. We'll be dividing our video to 4 steps. The first one is using Facebook Stories. Go to facebook.com and sign into your account. On the upper right corner we can see Stories. Within the panel there are many circles with names of your friends. Click on one of them and a new window will open with content that your friends have posted within the last 24 hours. Click on the right arrow to move to the next story. What we see here is a poll, and it can be used as a way to target our audience. More on that later. Click on the left arrow to go back to the previous story. Now, let's move to step 2. Adding your own story. Go back to the Stories panel and click on Add to your story. In the new window, we have a text field. We can write something here, and then we can add a little design to it, and that's it. Click Share. Congratulations on posting your first story. It's very simple. Now, let's move to the meaningful part. Implementing your marketing strategies. One of the most crucial factors here are the visuals. People want to see something that their eyes are comfortable with, so we have to make sure that our stories are well designed, organized, and with a little bit of style. The flow. The contents that you post on your Facebook stories should be connected to each other so that they can have a smooth flow that people can follow and understand. Share with the audience exclusive things that only you and your company knows, like special tips and how-tos. Most of the audience will love it and show it to their friends, which will increase the number of our followers. The next important thing we should do is to go behind the scenes. Show your audience your daily life, your actions. Make them feel like you're one of them. In addition to that, introduce them to your staff and company. The idea here is to make them love your company so that the followers can grow. Know your audience by asking them. If we study the customer's behavior, we will likely see a pattern that will help us define and categorize our products. Facebook Stories offer you to create a poll, to ask your audience and let them vote, while you receive the results and study it. Also, don't forget to include your website. Your followers will visit it and learn more about your company, which will allow your company to grow and reach a wide variety of people. Now moving on to the final step. Attract your audience. If we want people to be interested in your story, we have to keep it simple, short, and to the point. It's also essential to stay creative and unique. Post something that will help people remember your company's name. Luckily, Facebook Stories provide us with lots of effects and filters that will help us achieve that. And last but not least, making competition between our followers by creating contests and giving them special awards. This is also one of the best ways to reach more people and expand your company. Now that we know the basics of Facebook Stories, we can finally start using it in our company's favor. Thank you.